Tesla taps Samsung for 5G modems amid plans of Robotaxi ramp. A report from South Korea has suggested that Samsung Electronics is set to begin supplying 5G automotive modems to Tesla. If accurate, this would mark a major expansion of the two companies' partnership beyond AI chips and into vehicle connectivity. The move signals Tesla's growing focus on supply chain diversification and next-generation communications as it prepares to scale its autonomous driving and robotaxi operations. Samsung's 5G modem, as per industry sources cited by the ELEC. Samsung's System LSI division has completed development of a dedicated automotive-grade 5G modem for Tesla. The 5G modem is reportedly in its testing phase. Initial supply is expected to begin in the first half of this year, with the first deployments planned for Tesla's robotaxi fleet in Texas. A wider rollout to consumer vehicles is expected to follow. Development of the modem began in early 2024, and it required a separate engineering process from Samsung's smartphone modems. Automotive modems must meet stricter durability standards, including resistance to extreme temperatures and vibration, along with reliability over a service life exceeding 10 years. Samsung will handle chip design internally, while a partner company would reportedly manage module integration. The deal represents the first time Samsung has supplied Tesla with a 5G vehicle modem. Tesla has historically relied on Qualcomm for automotive connectivity, but the new agreement suggests that the electric vehicle maker may be putting in some serious effort into diversifying its suppliers as connectivity becomes more critical to autonomous driving. Deepening Tesla-Samsung ties. The modem supply builds on a rapidly expanding relationship between the two companies. Tesla previously selected Samsung's foundry business to manufacture its next-generation AI6 chips, a deal valued at more than 22.7 trillion won and announced in mid-2025. Together, the AI chip and 5G modem agreements position Samsung as a key semiconductor partner for Tesla's future vehicle platforms. Industry observers have stated that the collaboration aligns with Tesla's broader effort to reduce reliance on Chinese and Taiwanese suppliers. Geopolitical risk and long-term supply stability are believed to be driving the shift in no small part, particularly as Tesla prepares for large-scale robotaxi deployment. Stable, high-speed connectivity is essential for Tesla's full self-driving system, supporting real-time mapping, fleet management, and continuous software updates. By pairing in-vehicle AI computing with a new 5G modem supplier, Tesla appears to be tightening control over both its hardware stack and its global supply chain. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.